Hi guys, so this morning I'm going to do a quick haul, I guess, because these things came in yesterday, but I had the tonic unboxing review of the new craft kit number 37, and then I did that auto ships for the HSN for Crafts Companion. I just thought it was maybe too many videos, and then it was just getting later in the day and I didn't want to step on the other videos. So if I have any links in the description box, there will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase any items to those links. And that's because of the box I just mentioned. It's really pretty, the rosemary link circle. I'm going to do another video maybe today or tomorrow using the drop-in dies that it comes with, right? It has the big circles, really cute. And yeah, we'll go from there. But right now I have a couple of things, including the Spellbinders monthly subscription kit that I signed up for a while back, but you can kind of mess with it every month. So this month I got a couple different things. And then these guys, and I was super excited to get these because there was a few things that I wasn't sent, from Dime Press, and like I said, I always like to pretty much collect whatever they got. So I had got the book of Faux Gem Embellishments and the book of Faux Pearl Embellishments, and I think they're both sold out now. I know even the, well, there was quite a few sellouts, but the hidden messages, or messenger, it's kind of funny. It says messenger on the paperwork, but it says hidden messages on HSN. Sold out, but then it came back and it's totally gone now. Like, it's not even on their website, so hopefully they'll bring something like that back to, or on their site if you guys missed out, because it's a really cute set. So this one, I just thought it was adorable, so I had grabbed my own here. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's packaged so nicely. How cute. So that's what did it for me, because I'm like, oh, this is easy, because it's nice, and instead of a bunch of like individual sheets or, something else that just kind of, I could just put this on my new origami cart, right? So look at that. I don't know it. Okay. I might turn these around to face me, because right now they're facing that way, and you know what I'm saying, but that's okay. So we have, oh, interesting. So there has two different sizes. Oh, three different sizes of each color. Look at that. So these clear ones have the larger, the medium size, and the smaller size, and the pink ones also larger, medium, small. That is so smart. How cute. So obviously this packaging, I don't think it's made to last forever. It's in here really well, but it's just like this kind of stuff that, you open up. Like packaging would be for if you were just to buy this individually, right? How cute. Look, the orange or goldish, a light green, that's very pretty. Oh, and then, okay, well then that's what I'll leave it, because in the middle it goes back the other way, so I guess I'll leave them the way they are. So we have the turquoise kind of blue, a deeper blue, and then light purple, and then black. So cute. Alright, let me see about this one. I would say this one's taller, so it's kind of interesting. Did you see that? Thicker. So let's see. Oh, that's why, because they're fat boys. This is the half pearls, basically. So we have all the different sizes. I love it! And then this one has like the fuchsia pink and the lighter pink. And then the pearl color, and then goes into like a yellow. There's like green, to a light blue, to a deeper blue, to a deeper kind of purple. How cute is that? So they do have some good dimension, even though they're called Faux Embellishments. And they already have their sticky back, obviously, so that's what that's about. So cute. Okay, so I'm glad I jumped on those. And then we have our Spellbinders kits for the month. And whenever you subscribe to them, just like with Tonic, you get 10% off their site. On Spellbinders, it's automatic, so whenever you sign up with them, whatever prices you see on their site already have the 10% off. With Tonic, you have to use, I think, the code TCK, like Tonic Craft Kit, and then they'll take the 10% off, so don't forget to do that. Let me try to open this carefully, because again, they always have this. Okay, there's no receipt in here, I don't think. Maybe not, I don't know. Alright. The small die of the month. So this is the Works, I believe, because I think I went ahead and let the small, the large, the APG, and the card kit come in. But you can sign up for just one. I think the small die is the least expensive set that they sell. It's $15 a month. And then, again, you get your 10% off. And think that includes shipping, because it includes shipping on everything else, so I'm not sure, but there is that. And we have the words thankful and blessed and I'll say grateful. Yeah, grateful. And then it has all these little pieces. You have your little leaves, and I like how this cuts out all at once instead of a bunch of tiny leaves in this one here. And then you have these pieces that are kind of interlocking. I did a video before with I think a peacock feel that's very similar. It has this, and they do this kind of often. So you have these pieces you just cut, and it just works out very easily. I think the other ones had layers. So with this one, you have the one layer, and then you're going to put your little leaves here and there. So I'll probably start with this one with the tutorials first. I tried to do that, go in the order, but... And then we have the large die, which was a door die, and that's kind of why I let the Anna Griffin door dies kind of get past me this time through HSN, because I was like, well, I'm getting a door die in just a few days. So this is the Always Welcome, it's called. This one's called, sorry, Fall Leaves Card Creator. And cute little door. Let me measure it. Of course, when I do the review, So with Spellbinders, the whole month that you sign up, that's what they're going to send you. So if you're to sign up, you're going to get the same one if you're signed up today or in the next, you know, by the end of October. I'd say it's like 4.5 inches tall, this one, so I don't know how they nest in together, but then it has this floor area, so it makes it a little bit taller. It has a little welcome mat, or it says wishes, and some other things, right? Oh, best. No wonder I was like, why would it say wishes? The word best is there. With a cute little wreath you can use or don't use. There's you know, door slot if you want to put that in there. You have a little envelope. That's so cute. And then it just tells you how to assemble it. It doesn't look like it's too difficult, and I guess it's just whatever you want to do to dress it up is, you know, how long it's going to take. This one I could not pass up. It's the Becca Feekin, the APG. That's funny how this is oriented down, but I guess that's a pop-up 3D vignette camera. And so it has the little words you can pop in there. You make me smile. We just click. And then it has the little inserts, kind of like the telephone die that I reviewed not too long ago. Has a ton of circles in here that you could use for other things. I mean, there's just like a set of nesting circles in here. There's like, what the heck? Let me see. That middle one's kind of particular to this because it makes that shape. But we have 2, 3. I can't even tell the difference. Okay. I think this is stuck together. So that's another one. 2, 3, 4. So 4 with that middle one. But again, those middle ones are kind of particular. But if you're just looking to make an aperture or a hole, you got it. And then it has the instructions to make that most adorable little camera, kind of mini. And then this is our card. I was thinking, did I order another paper pack? I probably didn't. I don't think I did. So it's just a cute Christmas kit. So this is the card kit of the month. It's called Dancing Santa, and it shows you on the back there how to put the Santa together. And he looks like he is dancing. And it's quite possible, exactly, I was going to say that you're supposed to leave a space so his little legs move. Oh my goodness. That's cute, because that's just an idea. Because to be honest, you could do this with anything. If you have a hole punch or whatever, you can punch and then make the little legs move by putting a dimensional. So cute. Oh my gosh. So we have our sequins, we have our die cut pieces, the Santa pieces along with everything else, you know, that you can cut here. There's some extra dies in here, but we'll do that when we go through it. The stamp set with that cute little reindeer looking little Rudolph-ish. We have some puffy stickers, some like cardstocks, like chipboard stickers. Of course the foam and tape adhesive or dry adhesive, whatever, that they always send. I don't know why I can't think of the name for it right now. Card bases and card and envelopes. The paper pack, and then a ton of cardstock. So I'll go through every one of those things later. So cute. I also got some really nice, close the box to I'm a dummy, and I show the address again. Okay, yeah, no, I got some really nice gift mail, some big packages, so I will do a separate video on that, so that way it's kind of separated out on its own. Maybe tomorrow, because today I still have to do Freeform Friday, and possibly another video. Like I said, I might do the tonic one for today or tomorrow, I don't know, we'll see. But I will get started with those Spellbinders reviews. They are having some kind of like sale with basically Halloween stuff and stuff like that, so I'll have the link in the description box for those things too if you want to check that out. If I have any other sales, I will put them in the description box too if I can think of any, because I know there's a lot of expo things and like maybe discounts and Tonic did launch their new weekend deals, which are basically a lot of paper packs. The paper packs really remind me of like the paper I showed you in the rose mailing kit, where they're like shiny paper, maybe glitter paper, matte metallic type paper, and then like a specialty paper, and they're like 14, 15 bucks. And they, you know, whenever they sell those, it's 5 to 10 sheets per pack. It depends on the type of paper. And then they give you like 5 or 6 packs. So it's a pretty good deal. So you might want to check those out. It's just a bunch of different colorways that they're selling this weekend. And they have the best specialty papers. Ridiculously. Somebody had said that, like, how do you, and it's funny because when you go to cut it, you would think because it's so like different, or some of them have like, you know, that embossing that's in there or something that might smash, but it doesn't. It just comes out perfectly. So I'm like, this is good stuff. All right. So highly recommended. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep an eye out for the rest of the videos. Have a great day. I'm going to get to online learning here in just a minute, and I hope you're all doing well. Bye now.